History of automobile. The concept of a self-moving vehicle began in the 18th century with experiments using steam power. In 1769, Nicolas Joseph Cugnot, a French inventor, built the first self-propelled mechanical vehicle, a three-wheeled steam-driven carriage intended to haul artillery. While it was groundbreaking, it was impractical for everyday use. Throughout the early 1800s, inventors across Europe worked on various steam-powered vehicles, but issues like weight, speed, and complexity limited their usability. By the late 19th century, inventors began exploring internal combustion engines as a more efficient alternative. The real breakthrough in automotive history came when Carl Benz built the Benz patent Motorwagen in 1885, the world's first practical automobile powered by a gasoline engine. Around the same time, Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach developed a compact, high-speed engine and installed it in a four-wheeled carriage. These early models used single-cylinder engines and represented a leap toward personal transportation. Although rudimentary, they laid the groundwork for the commercial automobile industry. The first car dealership opened in Germany in 1898, and early automakers began to emerge in Europe and America. Automobiles remained a luxury for the wealthy until Henry Ford revolutionized manufacturing with the Model T in 1908. In 1913, Ford introduced the moving assembly line, drastically cutting production time and costs. This made cars affordable to the middle class, transforming the automobile into a common household item in the United States. Other manufacturers adopted Ford's techniques, spurring rapid industrial growth. Roads, gas stations, and repair services expanded alongside the industry, making car ownership more practical and widespread. Between the 1930s and 1980s, the automobile industry grew globally. Manufacturers introduced innovations like electric starters, safety glass, fuel injection, power steering, and automatic transmissions. After World War II, demand for automobiles surged in Europe, the US, and newly industrialized nations like Japan. Companies such as Toyota, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, and General Motors rose to global prominence. The 1973 oil crisis triggered a shift toward fuel-efficient cars, particularly from Japanese automakers, changing consumer preferences and shaping automotive engineering for decades. Since the 1980s, automobiles have become more technologically advanced and environmentally focused. The integration of electronics brought features like airbags, anti-lock brakes, ABS, GPS, infotainment systems, and emission control technologies. The late 1990s and 2000s saw the rise of hybrid vehicles, and the 2010s marked a major shift toward electric vehicles, EVs, led by companies like Tesla. Today, the automotive industry is driven by innovations in autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, battery technology, and sustainable manufacturing, signaling a transformation toward connected, clean, and intelligent mobility for the future.